All right, I'm going to do an exploded view demo for you. I have my assembly all set up. When you pull this up, your light box might look something like this. Go ahead and rotate it around until you have it positioned in a way where you can see the switch and the screws. It'll be easier if this is on the side that you can actually see. To kind of square this up to make it look somewhat good, go over here to the view cube and just hit this little dot right on that corner, and it'll kind of swing it around just like so. So this is going to be the position that we're going to do our exploded view from. Over here on the right side we have three little buttons or tabs. The bottom one is exploded view, so let's go ahead and click on exploded view. And I am going to start to pull this thing apart. Actually, I've already done exploded view, so let me delete that one. And you guys it'll look like this because you don't have any exploded views. Add exploded view, and the first one, it just defaults to explode 1. And you'll know you're in exploded view editing mode when you see this orange yellow bar up here. So let's make this a little bit smaller so I got some room. Slide it over. And let's start pulling this apart. First thing that I want to do is I want to grab all of these pieces in the switch, and you can click on them individually. Let's see, if I grab the screw, the other screw, switch. Sometimes it's tricky to hover over all of that. Depending on the order, might be a little bit easier. And I also want this side. So I'm going to grab all of those things together, and I'm going to grab this arrow because I want it to pull it perpendicular to the object. As soon as I let go, this little dialog box opens up, and you'll see distance. And I've kind of just pulled it to a distance that looks pretty good, and it's really close to 2. So I'm going to click on this and actually enter 2 and hit the green check. All right. Click anywhere, we'll let go of, or double click anywhere, we'll let go of all of that stuff. And now I want to take these items, those items, and I want to pull that away. And I'm going to make this 1. Okay, and now hit the check. And now in the background somewhere, I want the 2 screws. And I'll pull those out from there. And I'll make that also 1 inch. Alright, so there we have some exploded view with the screws going into the switch, going into that opening, and then attaching to the sides. Alright, so let's go ahead and break the rest of this apart. You're always grabbing the arrow that's pulling perpendicular from the actual object itself. I want this, I'm going to actually give this a little bit bigger distance. I'll go 3 inches on that one and hit the check. You have to hit the check every time you want to change parts or directions. I'll have that. Notice this was a negative because it's moving in the other direction. So -3 on that one. I'll take this side. Whoops. And if you don't hit the check, then it assumes it wants to connect to that first part you pulled out. So I'm going to delete that side, hit the green check, and now I'm ready to do this piece. Pull that out in that direction. Paying attention, like I said, if you got a negative sign or a positive sign, depending on your orientation, pull that piece straight up. I'll go 3 inches on that one. I'm not going to do anything with the middle piece, but I'm going to take this piece, hit the check. I'm going to take this piece, I'm going to pull that up. I'm going to move this in 2 different directions. So I'll pull that up. I'll go 2 inches up and hit the check, hit it again, and let's move it in this direction. And I'm going to go minus, because there's a minus sign, -4 in that direction. There we go. And here we have our exploded view with all of our pieces kind of breaking away from that centerpiece. All right, well that is it. We can close this little exploded view and you'll see that it takes up the full screen. If we actually click done on editing exploded view, it snaps back into our original assembly. I'm going to show you in a little bit how to do a drawing sheet with that exploded view tied into the drawing sheet in a little bit.